In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Hubspot with Apollo.io. This integration helps you connect your CRM activity with your outreach workflows, so data can move between the two platforms without manual copying. If you have been entering contact information in multiple places, this will make your process much smoother. To begin, open the Apollo.io dashboard. From there, look to the left sidebar and go to Admin Settings. You want to use the Settings area because the integration options are managed from the admin level. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct menu, since some screens may look similar but lead to different configuration tools. Next, once you are inside Admin Settings, click Integrations. This is where Apollo lists all available connection options to other services. You should see a section for different third-party platforms. This matters because it is the place where the Hubspot connector will appear, and it is also where you can manage whether integrations are connected and active. Now find Hubspot in the integrations list. When you see Hubspot, click Connect. At this point, the goal is to start the authorization flow. The connection is not active yet, so you may see a prompt or a window that appears after you click. This step is important because it tells Apollo which Hubspot account it should connect to. After you click Connect, you will be taken to or shown a Hubspot pop-up window. In that pop-up, you need to authorize the connection. Authorization is essentially permission, and it confirms which data Apollo is allowed to read or sync. Follow the prompts carefully, and when you are done, proceed back to Apollo so you can continue to configure the sync. Once the authorization is complete, you will reach the configuration area for sync settings. Here, configure what you want to sync between Apollo and Hubspot. Typically, this includes options for contacts and companies, along with email and task syncing, if those features are available in your setup. Set these options based on what your team actually uses. If your workflow depends heavily on outreach and follow-ups, enabling email and tasks can help keep your CRM updated automatically. After you choose the sync settings, the next part is field mapping. Mapping your fields between Apollo and Hubspot ensures that the information is transferred into the correct places. For example, you will align properties like names, titles, company details, and other contact fields, so Apollo data matches the corresponding Hubspot fields. This step matters because mismatched fields can lead to confusing records later. As you map fields, take your time to verify that the source field from Apollo matches the destination field in Hubspot. If any fields are not required for your workflow, you can usually leave them unmapped. However, it is worth focusing on the most important details that you rely on inside Hubspot, such as core contact identifiers and organization details. When you have finished field mapping, look for the final action to start the sync. Click Save or Enable, depending on what the interface shows you. This final confirmation activates the integration and begins the synchronization process based on your settings. If your account contains a large amount of data, the sync may take some time, so do not worry if you do not see everything instantly. Finally, after enabling the sync, it is a good idea to review a few sample records. Check that new or updated contacts and companies are appearing in the expected locations in Hubspot. This quick verification helps ensure that your mapping and chosen sync options are working correctly. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.